Hi children, welcome to today's session. Already we learned few problems in exercise 2.4. Now we will see two more problems in this exercise. Exercise 2.4, question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Say, half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining. Here, remaining is what? Total number of deer, let x. Remaining means x minus half. 3/4 means 3 by 4 into x minus x by 2. And rest 9 are drinking water. Solution. Let the total number of deer in the herd be x. According to the question, number of deer grazing is equal to x divided by 2 because total number of deer x, half of the deer means x by 2. Number of deer playing is equal to 3 by 4 into remaining. Here already I explained, remaining means x minus x by 2. Number of deer drinking water is 9. Now we want to find total number of deer. So total number of deer is equal to number of deer grazing plus number of deer playing plus number of deer drinking water. So total deer is equal to x divided by 2 plus 3 by 4 into x minus x by 2 because here number of deer playing is 3 by 4 into remaining. So here we put 3 by 4 into x minus x by 2 plus rest 9, that is 9. Total number of deer is equal to x. So x is equal to x divided by 2 plus 3 by 4 into x minus x by 2 is x by 2 plus 9. Now x is equal to x divided by 2 plus 3 into x, 3x divided by 4 2s are 8 plus 9. X is equal to x by 1. So here we put x is equal to x divided by 1. Take right hand side x by 2 and 3x by 8 to left hand side. It change into minus x by 2 minus 3x by 8. So x divided by 1 minus x divided by 2 minus 3x divided by 8 is equal to 9. See the left hand side denominators, all the numbers are different numbers. Here we want to take LCM. LCM is 8. 8 into 1. See the first term's denominator, 1 is there. How many ones are in 8? 8. So 8 into 1, 8. Multiply the 8 with the numerator. Already numerator is x. X into 8, 8x. As same way, minus 4x minus 3x whole divided by 8. That is equal to 9. 8x minus 7x is equal to what? X. So x is equal to 9 into 8. Left hand side denominator comes to right hand side. It comes under multiplication. So 9 8s are 72. The number of deer in the herd is 72. Question number 10. A man's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find the present ages. In this problem, we have to find present ages of a man's and a man's son's age. Let the present age of a man's son be x years. the present age of Aman be 3x years because Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, age of son was x minus 10 years because 10 years ago we subtract 10 from x. X is present age of Aman's son. So, age of son was x minus 10 years. As same as age of Aman was 3x minus 10 years. According to the question, 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. So, 3x minus 10, that is Aman's age, 10 years ago, Aman's age is equal to 5 times his son's age. 5 into x minus 10. That is 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x minus 10. 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x, 5x, minus 5 into 10, 50. Take right hand side 3x to left hand side. Take left hand side 3x to right hand side. It change into 5x minus 3x. Take minus 50 right hand side minus 50 to left hand side. It comes minus 10 plus 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. That is equal to 5x minus 3x. That is equal to 2x. Now 2x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 divided by 2. That is equal to 20. Now the present age of Aman's son is x. So that is equal to 20 years. The present age of Aman is 3x is equal to 3 into 20, that is equal to 60 years. Finally, present age of Aman's son is 20 years and present age of Aman is 60 years. In this exercise 2.5, we have to learn how to reducing equations to simpler form and how to solve it. Exercise 2.5, solve the following linear equations. Question number 1, x divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to x divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4. Solution, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Take right hand side x by 3 to left hand side. It change into minus x by 3. Now we get x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Left hand side minus 1 by 5 comes to right hand side. It change into plus 1 by 5. See left hand side, the denominators are different. Take LCM. 2 3s are 6. 3 into x, 3x minus 2 into x, 2x divided by 6. That is equal to, right hand side also different denominators. Here also we want to take LCM. 4 5s are 20. 5 plus 4 divided by 20. 3x minus 2x is x. X divided by 6 is equal to 9 divided by 20. Do the cross multiplication. We get 20 into x is equal to 9 into 6. 20x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 divided by 20. Both are divisible by 2. After cancelling, we get x is equal to 27 divided by 10. Question number 3. X plus 7 minus 8x divided by 3 is equal to 17 divided by 6 minus 5x divided by 2. Solution, x plus 7 minus 8x divided by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Here x is equal to x by 1. Take right hand side minus 5x by 2 to left hand side. Already minus 8x by 3 is in left hand side. X divided by 1 minus 8x divided by 3 plus 5x divided by 2 is equal to 17 divided by 6. Left hand side plus 7 comes to right hand side. It change into minus 7. See the left hand side denominators. All the numbers are different. Here also we want to take LCM. Now LCM is 6. 6x minus 16x plus 15x divided by 6 is equal to, right hand side do the cross multiplication, 17 minus 6 into 7, that is minus 42. 17 minus 42 whole divided by 6. See the both denominators, both are same, get cancelled. Now 15x plus 6x is equal to 21x minus 16x is equal to 17 minus 42 is what? Minus 25. 21x minus 16x is equal to 5x, that is equal to minus 25. Now x is equal to minus 25 divided by 5 is equal to minus 5. Question number 5. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Solution: 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3. Take right hand side minus t to left hand side. It change into plus t. That is equal to 2 by 3. See the denominators in left hand side. 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3. Take LCM. 4 3s are 12. 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3 plus 12t whole divided by 12. That is equal to 2 divided by 3. 3 into 3t 9t minus 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 4 into 2t minus 8t minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus 12t whole divided by 12 is equal to 2 divided by 3. 9t plus 12t is equal to 21t minus 8t minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18 whole divided by 12 is equal to 2 divided by 3. 21t minus 8t is 13t minus 18 divided by 12 is equal to 2 divided by 3. 13t minus 18 is equal to 2 by 3. Left hand side denominator comes to right hand side. It change into 12 divided by 1. Now 13t minus 18 is equal to 8. 13t is equal to 8 plus 18. That is left hand side minus 8 comes to right hand side. It change into plus 18. 13t is equal to 18 plus 8 is 26. T is equal to 26 divided by 13, that is equal to 2. So finally T is equal to 2. Question number 6. M minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. Solution: m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. In left hand side, do the cross multiplication. We get 2m minus m minus 1 whole divided by 2 is equal to, right hand side also do the cross multiplication. 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. 2m minus m minus into minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by 2 is equal to 3 minus m minus into minus 2 plus 2 whole divided by 3. 2m minus m is m. m plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus m divided by 3. Do the cross multiplication. We get 3 into m plus 1 is equal to 2 into 5 minus m. 3 into m, 3m plus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 2 5s are 10 minus 2 into m minus 2m. Take right hand side minus 2m to left hand side. Now we get 3m plus 2m, that is equal to 10 minus 3. Left hand side plus 3 comes to right hand side, it's changed into minus 3. 3m plus 2m is 5m, that is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. Now m is equal to 7 divided by 5. Question number 8. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Solution. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. 15 into y, 15y. 15 into minus 4 minus 60 minus 2 into y minus 2y minus 2 into minus 9 is plus 18 plus 5 into y plus 5y plus 5 into 6 30 is equal to 0. That is 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. 15y plus 5y is equal to 20y. Next minus 2y plus 48 minus 60 is equal to 0. 20y minus 2y is what? 18y. 48 minus 60 is minus 12. So we get 18y minus 12 is equal to 0. 18y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 divided by 18. Both are divisible by 6. That is equal to 2 divided by 3. So y is equal to 2 by 3. Question number 10. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Solution. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. 0.25 into 4f is equal to 1f, that is equal to f. 0.25 into minus 3 is equal to minus 0.75, that is equal to 0.05 into 10f is 0.50f. 0.05 into minus 9 is minus 0.45. Take right hand side 0.50f to left hand side. It change into f minus 0.50f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. That is left hand side minus 0.75 comes to right hand side. It change into plus 0.75. Minus 0.45 is already in right hand side. Now f minus 0.50f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. f minus 0.50f is what? 0.50f. That is equal to 0.30. Because 0.75 minus 0.45 is equal to 0.30. Now f is equal to 0.30 divided by 0.50. Now numerator and denominator both are multiply by 100. After that we get 30 divided by 50. After cancelling we get 3 divided by 5 because both numerator and denominator 30 and 50 are divisible by 10. After that we get 3 divided by 5, that is equal to 0.6. Exercise 2.6. In this exercise 2.6, we have to learn how the equations are reducible to the linear form and how to solve it. Solve the following equations. Question number 1. 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. Solution. 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. Take left hand side denominator to right hand side. We get 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3x. 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. Take right hand side 6x to left hand side. Now we get 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. Left hand side minus 3 comes to right hand side. It change into plus 3. 8x minus 6x is 2x. That is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 3 divided by 2. Question number 4. 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 divided by 5. Solution. 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Here do the cross multiplication. After that we get 5 into 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. 5 into 3y 15y plus 5 into 4 20 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 2 into minus 6y plus 12y. Take right hand side plus 12y to left hand side. It change into minus 12y. Now we get 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4. Take left hand side plus 20 to right hand side. It change into minus 20. So minus 4 minus 20 in right hand side. 15y minus 12y is equal to 3y. That is equal to minus 24. Now y is equal to minus 24 divided by 3. That is equal to minus 8. Question number 5. 7y plus 4 by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Solution. 7y plus 4 by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Here also do the cross multiplication. After that we get 3 into 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. 3 into 7y 21y plus 3 into 4 12 is equal to minus 4 into y minus 4y minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Take right hand side minus 4y to left hand side. After that 21y plus 4y is equal to minus 8 minus 12. Also take left hand side plus 12 to right hand side. It change into minus 12. Now we get 21y plus 4y is equal to minus 8 minus 12. 21y plus 4y is equal to 25y is equal to minus 8 minus 12 is minus 20. Y is equal to minus 20 divided by 25. That is equal to minus 4 by 5. Question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 70 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Here we want to find the rational number. Solution. Let the numerator be x because the numerator is unknown number. So we will take let the numerator be x and the denominator be x plus 8 because the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So, we put x plus 8 for the denominator. Normally, rational number is equal to numerator divided by denominator. Here, our numerator is x and denominator is x plus 8. So, rational number is equal to x divided by x plus 8. According to the question, if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. After that, the number obtained is 3 by 2. So, numerator plus 17 divided by denominator minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. This is given in your question. Here, our numerator is what? X. So, put x for numerator. X plus 17 divided by denominator is x plus 8. So, x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. X plus 17 divided by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Do the cross multiplication. We get 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 17, 34 is equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 7, 21. Take right hand side 3x to left hand side, it change into minus 3x. Now we get 2x minus 3x is equal to 21. Take left hand side plus 34 to right hand side, it change into minus 34. So 21 minus 34. 2x minus 3x is minus x is equal to 21 minus 34 is minus 13. See both sides. Minus x is equal to minus 13. Both side negative symbol cancel. We get x is equal to 13. Required rational number is x divided by x plus 8. Substitute 13 for x. We get 13 divided by 13 plus 8. That is equal to 13 divided by 21. So, the required rational number is 13 divided by 21. Here, numerator is 13, denominator is 21. In this chapter, we learnt about solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side, as well as solving equations having the variable on both sides, and how to reducing equations to simpler form, equations reducible to the linear form, and how to solve it. These are your homework problems. Try to complete it, children. Thank you.